gone quiet, but the sky found a way to keep talking to me. Every drop on the glass sounds like letters unfinished, like the words that you typed and then chose to delete. I keep watching the screen, yeah, the blue light still burning. One check mark, then two, but no answer comes through. So I sit in the dark with my hands in my lap now, learning how silence can sound just like you. I told myself I wouldn't look again, but the rain keeps tapping like it's asking why, where, when. This is the last rain I'll cry over, last drop falling from a sky that don't care. Last night waiting by a window for someone who already packed their weather and left me right here. The thunder rolls through like a period, a sentence you ended before I could speak. This is the last rain, the last rain. Lord, I hope it's the last rain for me. I remember in April, you loved when it rained. We'd lay tangled in sheets, let the whole city flood. Now October's come back with the same kind of weather, but it don't feel like shelter, it just feels like mud. Your red receipt glows like a candle in the water, proof of a flame that already went out. I scroll up to the things that we said to each other and try to find the exact line where love turned to doubt. I should put the phone down, close my eyes, but the rain keeps falling like it's asking why, why? This is the last rain I'll cry over, last drop falling from a sky that don't care. Last night waiting by a window for someone who already packed their weather and left me right here. The thunder rolls through like a period, a sentence you ended before I could speak. This is the last rain, the last rain. Lord, I hope it's the last rain for me. Maybe you found somewhere drier, maybe the sun lives where you are now. Maybe you needed a lighter sky, baby. I was the storm cloud you couldn't get out, but I still smell your dead on the chair by the door, and I still hear you laugh when the lightning cracks open the floor. And I still leave the porch light on out of habit, like you're coming back just to say you're not coming back anymore. Not anymore, not anymore. This is the last rain I'll cry over, last drop falling from a sky that don't care. Last night waiting by a window for someone who already packed their weather and left me right here. The thunder rolls through like a period, a sentence you ended before I could speak. This is the last rain, the last rain. Lord, let this be the last rain for me. keeps falling. One check, two check, no reply. The rain keeps falling. Good night, goodbye.